For God's sake, don't buy dollar when hedge fund managers and the professionals are selling dollar. If you look at Australian dollar, US dollar, you have the retail traders and 70% of them are buying dollar. We all know that retail traders most of the times are always going to lose the money. So if you're interested in how the professionals are planning for the next week, let's go. Boom. Should we make a deal for this week as well? I will turn off the ads if you watch until the end. Deal? Deal. Trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever has happened in the past does need to happen in the future, and what I'm gonna say in this video is only for education purposes and not financial advice. If you want to become a more professional Forex trader, you need to do a lot of research. Luckily for you, most of it is free and people tell you what they want to do. So if you take the American Central Bank, they want to devalue the dollar. So all the other pairs are rising in comparison to it. What is the three main drivers of the market at the moment? Low interest rates, potential stimulus packages coming in, and vaccination program and its development. That is crucial for the development of the dollar. So for Australian dollar, US dollar, we're looking into 78.23 all the way up to 79.50. We want price to come back, get us a pullback, go higher, buy every time because there's a chance, and we are looking for a higher highs because we have broken out. This one is not a target, this one is only going higher. That is my personal view. I will use 50 pips stop loss, 50 pips. So if you can calculate from 78.24, that would be around 78, 74-ish area. So down here. If price goes below 77.28, 30, give or take this area here, this wicks here, I would say this one is now turning bearish. But that is only if everything goes terribly wrong. So I'm going higher. I am going to use 1% risk of my trading account on this trade. So let's see how it goes. For euro dollar, we have 21 and higher. If price goes below 20.10, I'm no longer interested in it, but that still set up the double bottom I always wanted anyways. So if you see double dollar bullishness next week, I don't really care. I have both of them covered. That is what you should have, a plan A and plan B. Now we're going higher up to 122 area, but I'm going to say that this might be the low that we all have been waiting for because of stimulus packages. So until how long? Maybe the year. So I'm going to use 1% risk, 50 pips stop loss, and yeah, if we take a fast look at the COT reports, we have euro, we have more shorts coming in, we have more buys coming in, stable, unchanged, I would say. Dollars have more shorts coming in, we have a bit less longs. For pound, it is shorts taking profit and buys taking a bit profit. Okay, great. Doesn't really matter. Australian dollar shorts coming in and then more longs taking profit. That is, yeah, but still going higher because of dollar weakness. Then we have New Zealand, which is going towards the long side, shorters taking profit, making bullish move, and then that becomes a bullish move because there was more bulls coming in. Again, all positive. For gold, I have now seen what I've seen. This is short. We can all see more greens coming in on shorts, buyers taking profit, trend is down. I have given up. I will give you the review for next week, but it's not going to be bullish. I'm personally not going to trade it anyways. For the pound, we're looking into 39.60 and then going higher. That would be fantastic. And then higher up to 141 and whatever that price will be. Currently it is very expensive and it's only going to get more expensive. I would also say that was not good English, but anyways, let's continue. 138.30 would be my like, hey, this might not be good anymore. Then I would have a 50 pip stop loss as always, and probably a bit higher on this one because this one is so extended. So if I take my pips down to 100, yeah, I would think 100 down. And I will hold as long as it still is a bullish trend. For Japanese yen, pound Japanese yen, we have 147 going higher to 149. We are looking into those areas here, but then those are just my prices, and so it should be. Then, what are you saying about these green zones and stuff? This is my buy zone. 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 Never happened, by the way. This is my buy zone. This is my buy zone. And as you can see, they're doing quite well. They're doing truly well. For New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we're coming into more bullish pressure. Fantastic. Down to 72.54. Fantastic. Up to 73.80 and 74. We don't know how high this is going to go, but I'm going to start. We have been in a range for a very long time. Very, very, very frustrating, but now we are making a new high. Yeah, let's go! USD CAD is now to the lower side, although if it makes a new lower low on New Zealand dollar below 71.50, I'm not going to buy anymore if everything goes bad. And 50 pip stops. USD CAD, we're looking into 26.50 or 21.27 and then going lower. But if it makes a higher high, it is no longer bearish, but it was very good on Friday, down to 125, but I also see 120 coming up later on this year. But yeah, hold on. For yens, I would say we might not be as bearish on as or bullish for that matter, pairs maybe bullish as the dollar ones. So I would just stay away from and focus more on the dollar pairs, because if we get these stimulus checks we want, that is good for the trend. Gold. As you can see, I have now set it up for a bearish trend and bearish move lower. And I find it quite sad to say that 1804 would be a good sell point, down to 1740. But I can't really buy this. I can't really say we should be buyers until this make a higher high and starts trending upwards, and I see buyers coming in on COT. I can't do anything about it. I'm sorry. It is not bullish. The overall trend on gold is higher. There is a correction now, and until this correction is over, we can't buy it. And as much as I would love to see you making tons of money on gold, there isn't the time right now. You might be right in the end of 2020, and now is the time it was supposed to be a high. And I'm sorry, I was wrong. Failed. That's what I've done in all my trading career. Anyways, I've failed my through success. So, this is my failure phase. Let's move on. US oil, we are in a very strong trend, coming down to support 58.78. Fantastic, fantastic. But should we go higher? Yes, we should. So we should go higher, and then we are going up to 62. When does it end? It ends when it goes below 57. So until then, you're still looking to buy this one. I'm not buying it personally, but hey, thank you for being here until the end. I will reward you with a 50% discount on my mentorship on the monthly subscription in the description. Isn't that fantastic? Just because you were until the end. And it's only for 2 people. So if you're one of them, there might be another one out there. And it normally goes very fast. So I didn't tell anyone. I haven't told anyone else anywhere else than in this video. So take it or leave it. Until next time, stay safe and never risk money cannot for use. And boom.